Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we're making plant-based lentil koftes. This is a Middle Eastern dish that uses red split lentils to make the most amazing koftes. This recipe will make 18 koftes and takes around 30 minutes to prepare. So let's get started on this recipe. To a deep based pot, add 1 cup of red split lentils, washed and drained. Add in 2 cups of water and boil this until the lentils become mushy. Once they have softened and have about half a cup of water left, add in half a cup of crushed bulgur wheat. Then continue to boil until no water remains in the pot. Pour the mushy but dried out mixture into a bowl and allow this to cool. While the mixture cools in a pot, add a 1/4 cup of olive oil. Then to this, add 1 finely chopped onion and braise until brown. Also add in 1 teaspoon of fine salt. Once browned, add in 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. Also add in half a teaspoon of red pepper paste, depending on how spicy you want it. Allow to simmer for 5 minutes and then remove this from the heat. Cool the mixture for a while, then add it to the red lentils in the bowl. Mix until well combined. Then add 3 tablespoons of spring onions chopped, 3 tablespoons of chopped parsley, half a teaspoon of crushed black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, and then mix until well combined. I just transferred this into a deeper bowl so it mixes well. Form into round balls as shown here. For a more modern touch, I rolled these in some parsley and some toasted sesame seeds. If while rolling your hands become too sticky, use some olive oil on your hands and then roll the koftes. These can be eaten hot or cold. For that modern touch, I used some boiled spaghetti. Then place the koftes over the spaghetti. I used one with parsley and one with sesame as well. Then place some lemon slices and tomatoes just to add some more color to the dish. And finish them off with some edible flowers. Add a sprinkle of parsley and crushed red chilies over the spaghetti as well. And we transformed this to this. Mouth-watering plant-based cooking with red lentils. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Until the next vlog, happy cooking!